What you are about to witness is not just a repair. It is a stunning act of creation. In a world that quickly discards the old and broken. One woman uncovers the hidden soul of the machine. Prepare to see the forgotten brought back to life. The process begins not with a plan, but with a vision. With fire and precision, raw metal starts to bend to her will. Each spark is a testament to the transformative power of her craft. From discarded pieces, a new skeleton emerges. The rough edges are smoothed away, revealing the intended form. This is where strength and artistry are fused into one. Slowly, an astonishing new creation is taking shape. Carefully, she adds the finishing touches. What was once scrap metal now prepares to move. The structure stands, a testament to her skill and patience. But the work is not yet complete. A body begins to form around the resilient frame. The vision is now tangible reality. She tests its balance, ensuring perfect function. And with a final coat of color, it is given an identity. A vibrant blue, signifying its new beginning. With her creation ready, a new challenge awaits. She takes to the land, her machine an extension of her ambition. Now, her focus shifts from creation to restoration. To heal the machine, she must first understand its heart. The complex inner workings are carefully disassembled. Every screw, every wire, holds a piece of the story. It's a delicate dance of deconstruction. A steady hand and a sharp eye are essential. With every part laid bare, the real work can begin. The first step in rebirth is to give it a new skin. Each brushstroke is a promise of renewal. The old and worn surfaces are stripped away, unveiling the clean slate hidden beneath. Even the smallest components are given new life. The reassembly process begins, piece by intricate piece. The machine's nervous system is carefully reconnected. The body, now vibrant and restored, is put back in place. Every part must fit perfectly. A puzzle of metal and wire coming together. The transformation is almost complete. Now, she turns her attention to the engine's core. The heart of the machine lies dormant, waiting. Its inner chambers are exposed to the light. This is a deeper, more intricate challenge. She navigates the complex architecture of the engine. Every gear and piston tells a story of wear and tear. The secrets of the engine are laid bare. An astonishing collection of mechanical parts. The cleansing ritual begins. Years of grime are washed away, revealing the true potential that was always there. Each surface is polished to perfection, bringing a brilliant shine back to the forgotten metal. The meticulous process of reassembly starts. A fresh coat of paint provides a protective shield, a symbol of its complete and total rebirth. The renewed parts hang, awaiting their reunion. Lifeblood is applied to ensure a smooth operation. The components are carefully pressed back into place. Another engine, another story of decay. Its secrets are slowly unveiled. The intricate timing chain is gently removed. Each part is a clue to its past life. Now, the new, revitalized parts are introduced. The restored engine is ready to be reunited with its body. The final connections are made. A powerful tool aids in the final stages of assembly. And with its soul restored, the machine is ready to run free. But her work is never truly done. There is always another machine waiting to be saved. Another complex puzzle to solve. Even in the most awkward positions, her focus is unwavering. The cleansing process is thorough and transformative, washing away the past to make way for the future. A powerful stream of water blasts away the last remnants of neglect. This ritual is essential for a new beginning. A high-pressured baptism to purify the metal. Lubrication is carefully applied to the clean surfaces. And the slow, methodical reassembly continues. Tired but determined, she pushes forward. Her workspace is a testament to her passion. Beyond the workshop, life continues in simple harmony. But here, in her domain, chaos is turned into order. The pieces are coming together once more. With an electric current, she fastens the new reality into place. Her focused environment, filled with tools of her trade. The reborn engine is heavy with newfound potential. She returns to the intricate inner workings. Fresh oil, the lifeblood of the machine, is poured. The final components are secured. The moment of truth arrives, the engine awakens. It runs with a steady, powerful rhythm. Now, it is ready to serve its purpose once more. A heavy burden, carried with pride. Another project begins, watched by the next generation. In nature, beauty is effortless. But in the world of machines, it must be earned. The familiar process of deconstruction starts again, smoothing away the imperfections left by time. Every screw tells a part of the machine's silent story. The first step is always the deepest clean. A high-pressure wash to reveal what lies beneath. Even the smallest parts receive her full attention. Sparks fly as the old is ground away to make way for the new. A meticulous and demanding process. A new identity is sprayed on, erasing the past. The black paint gives it a sleek, powerful presence. Essential lubrication prepares the parts for motion. Precision is key in this mechanical puzzle. Slowly, The machine is reborn from its components. A vibrant blue piece is integrated into the dark frame. She struggles, but her determination does not waver. Each connection is checked and double-checked. The bolts are tightened, securing the new form. The electrical pathways are reconnected. A final inspection of her handiwork. Even the tiniest pieces are handled with immense care. The complex assembly continues. The crankshaft, the very heart of the engine, is set in place. The core of the machine is whole once more. In her open-air workshop, she is in her element. Surrounded by the tools and triumphs of her trade. The old engine cover, marked by its past, awaits its renewal. With a shower of sparks, the rough exterior is stripped away. She protects herself, but dives fearlessly into the work. The tools of transformation, one old, one new. The engine block hangs, receiving its final coat of paint. The delicate reassembly of the piston requires immense focus. Applying torque, she ensures a secure and lasting fit. Modern tools accelerate the final stages of the build. The delicate components of the valve system are put in place. The head is carefully lowered onto the engine block. The throttle linkage, a network of springs and levers, is reconnected. A flash of blue adds a touch of personality to the machine. The resurrected engine is mounted, ready for its final test. It is given the oil that will allow it to run once more. A masterpiece of restoration, gleaming in the daylight. As the day winds down, a visitor arrives. But the work is not over. The creator's job is never done. She moves on to the next challenge, shaping a new frame. From humble beginnings, a new project takes form. She meticulously grinds the metal, her focus absolute. Working the long pieces, shaping them with care. Bending the steel to her unyielding will. Now, with a welder's mask, she fuses the pieces together. The intense light of the arc forges a permanent bond. The welded frame is strong and true. She drills with precision, preparing for the next stage. The surfaces are smooth, polished to perfection. A coat of black paint gives it a finished, professional look. The finished frame stands as a symbol of her craftsmanship. With the frame complete, she returns to the heart of the matter. An old engine is carefully taken apart. Its components are laid out, a map of its mechanics. She methodically works her way through the disassembly. The parts are baked, washing away years of use. And now, the resurrection. The pieces are reassembled. She works with a practiced, confident hand. The engine is whole again, ready for a new life. A final check ensures everything is in its right place. In her workshop, surrounded by the tools of her passion, she moves with a purpose that is both inspiring and profound. A detail of the engine, a flash of renewed color. She lifts the heavy motor, her strength undeniable. The engine is mounted, uniting her two projects into one. A completed masterpiece of ingenuity and determination. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel, Mechanic, for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.